Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Tecno Spark Go 3, which is pattern locked. Let's unlock this phone with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone, then press the power key for about 3 or 4 seconds, and after that quickly hold on to the volume down key. Also power key for 3 or 4 seconds, then the volume down key. When the Tecno logo appears, release the power key, but keep holding on to the volume down key until the recovery menu appears. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to navigate through the option and use power key. Select an option, select wipe data, then factory data reset with the power key, and this will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see here, that the data wipe has been completed. Then after that, select reboot system now. After the hard reset, the phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Wait for a while. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on the arrow, move forward, select your country, your language, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.